Hi everyone, it's Marieta, founder of ImmigrationBiz. Today I want to talk about, it's actually day 2 of my live training, and today I want to talk about EB5 advantages, disadvantages, and I'm comparing EB5 with E2. So today I will focus on EB5. If you missed my live yesterday I was talking about E2. So whoever's joining me, thank you for tuning in. Guys, I'm gonna wait for a couple of you guys to tune in and I'm gonna start. Ritai, hi. Yeah, and so today's topic is basically how to get a PR through investment. So PR in the United States, in other words, permanent residency. And I'm also comparing it with E2. Yesterday I was talking about E2, I was focusing on E2, and today I'm gonna focus on EB5. So this is day 2 of the live training. Hi everybody, Amiri, I don't know how to pronounce your name, guys. Hi, thanks for tuning in. So before I start, why you guys want to move to US? Tell me in the comment below. Why do you guys want to move to United States? I would love to hear from you. So leave a comment before we start, and I'm also waiting for some other people to tune in. And so give me a second and then we are going to start. So whoever is there, let me know where you're from. I'd like to know where you guys from. Hi guys, good to see you, everybody. Happy Tuesday, by the way. And for those who don't know me, my name is Marieta and I am the founder of ImmigrationBiz, and I help foreign investors and immigrants to move to US, start a business. I'm also entrepreneur, business owner, and also immigrant. And I moved to United States 11 years ago, and I'm immigration attorney. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Are you scared? I don't know what you mean by that. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking, guys. Okay, so let's do this. So today, day 2, live training, E2 versus EB5, EB5 advantages. So if you are familiar with E2, it's non-immigrant visa type. When you invest substantial amount of capital and you start a business in the United States, you get E2 visa. Only certain countries qualify for E2, so you have to be on the list, the treaty country list. Now today I want to focus on EB5. And yesterday I was talking more about E2, so you can actually go back and check that video. I also uploaded that video to my YouTube channel. If you missed that live, you can go back to YouTube channel, find ImmigrationBiz on YouTube channel and watch that video. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking, guys. So EB5, what is EB5? EB5 is a green card, okay? Green card through investment. Now, here goes the deal. You have to invest at least $500,000 or $1 million. 1 million directly into your commercial enterprise, or $500,000 either in regional center projects. In such case, you don't have control over your funds, or targeted employment areas, or areas that are actually rural areas, that are actually with population with less than 20,000. And if you are investing into targeted employment areas, rural areas, or regional centers, $500,000 is the minimum requirement. If you're investing into any kind of commercial enterprise, then it's direct investment and it's 1 million. So obviously you can see the difference already between E2 and EB5. It's a higher amount of investment in case of EB5. You can already see that. Number 2, with EB5 you are getting permanent residency. With E2 you're not getting permanent residency, it's just non-immigrant visa type. So if you have a PR, permanent residency, that's amazing because you can reside in the United States. But on the other hand, you have to actually keep your tax domicile in the United States. So you have to spend at least minimum of 183 days out of the year in the United States to be eligible to actually keep the green card, not to be eligible, to actually keep the green card. Otherwise, you might lose the green card, you might abandon the status if you leave the country and you spend more than 12 months out of the year, obviously. So that's number 1. Number 2 is that obviously the investment is higher. Legal costs associated with EB5 are higher than compared to E2. More complex due diligence is required. You don't have control over your funds unless you do the direct investment. You already know that. Now, waiting times are significantly longer than in case of E2. In some cases, because due to the backlog, like Chinese nationals, they have to wait 7 or 8 years, which is very long time. So if you want like quick fix, you want to move to United States relatively fast, you need to go with different option. Now, if you don't qualify for E2 because you're not from a treaty country, I usually talk about the plan B, which is L visa, right? L visa is for people who are not from a treaty country, but they already operate a business in their home country. Okay, and so if you are not qualified for E2, then maybe you will be qualified for L visa. So when you ask me like what are actual advantages of EB5, and I will tell you the advantage is, number one is that even if you're not from a treaty country and you cannot apply for E2, you can still apply for EB5. Like for example, Chinese nationals are not from a treaty country, but they can apply for EB5 because with EB5 there is not like a list of treaty countries necessarily. Okay. Number two, there is a direct path to a citizenship. Meaning once you have PR, you are a resident, after 5 years, you can apply for a citizenship. So there is actually a direct path to become a US citizen. So I guess that's like the biggest advantage. Also, there is no need for a work permit. Obviously, once you have a PR, your family gets PR, then you don't have to worry about getting a work permit. With E2 visa, there is actually a need for a work permit. By the way, it's okay because once you run your business under E2, your spouse can apply for a work permit and work anywhere, which is a big, big deal in my opinion. Because when you think about all those applicants who are struggling with H-1B, when you think about that, like this way, your spouse right away can actually get a work permit and work anywhere, which is a big deal. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about when I say it's a big deal. All right, what are your questions? I send you email. I want to know if I can help you. Guys, we have like a high volume of emails to be honest, so I don't know like when you send the email, but typically we review the email. If you are like a not good fit, typically we would just work with entrepreneurs. We don't do general immigration. Like I don't do like a green card through family, marriage, and like this is something that I don't do. I no longer do those with green cards, no longer do regular visas. All I do is I'm focusing on entrepreneurs, okay? So chances are if you email us that we review your email and we determine that you are not good fit. Therefore, I don't know, like you're asking about spouse process, marriage visa. This is something we don't do anymore. We focus only on entrepreneurs, business owners. So I would suggest you contact different immigration attorney that can help you with your case. I hope that helps. Or maybe you can actually search. I did some videos like 3 years ago. I posted videos on my YouTube channel, especially when it comes to marriage visa. Especially when it comes to green card through marriage. So you can actually find my old videos on my YouTube channel where I talk about how to get a green card through marriage, if that's something that you're looking for. Yeah, so I think that I sum up pretty much everything. For those who want to learn more, and if you are an entrepreneur who wants to start this process, I do invite you to join my upcoming program, the American Dream Accelerator. The link is in my bio, so you can just click on that link in my bio and that link will take you to the waitlist. So you will be registered and you can join the accelerator when we launch in like 2-3 weeks. Like I said, this is for entrepreneurs, business owners who wants to start business. Even if you don't have $500,000 or $1 million, the accelerator is for you because I'm going to be focusing on E2 visa, how you can go from idea to actual business. So there is right there the opportunity how you can make this happen. Okay guys, so I'm going to wrap up. Tomorrow I'm going to tune in and tomorrow I will talk about the legal costs associated with E2 and EB5 program. So you can have general understanding what are the costs, what you should expect and what you should not expect. So you have the overview, what's like the process and how much should you pay to acquire a legal assistance. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in everybody and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.